Hi everyone, I've started a new project and thought I'd share my progress. This is going to be a smart home water manifold to control water to various parts of the home that can be controlled manually and eventually also with motorized servos paired with my smart home hub. To keep it simple, I made it from compression fittings including 22mm copper pipe, compression tees, some compression elbows and finally compression ball valves. The valves turn through 90 degrees to control the water flow as either on or off. On is in the down position in this setup. This valve controls water from the street, and then when opened in conjunction with this valve allows flow to the house. And the last two valves on the right allow flow to the back garden and the front garden. That's as far as I've got with the project for now. The next stage is to fit some Wi-Fi enabled solenoids so that I can control them via my smart home or HTTP commands, and maybe even fit a leak detector to shut down the water to the whole house automatically if there's a leak. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel to catch the next episode of the build. Take care, everybody.